I am using Unity 2019 version, you can use 2020 version also. We can create new project, click on new, select 2D, and name the project, and select the location you want to save the project and click on create. It can take time to open new project, it will open on your PC. You can change your layout, or you can make your layout. I have create one 2D layout. Don't worry, if you don't have that layout, you can use tall layout. You can download this prefabs, or you can use your own prefabs. Follow this step carefully, otherwise you are not able to use this sprite. Drag the background in the hierarchy and rename to BG. And set aspect ratio to 9:16. If you don't have aspect ratio, then click on plus icon and create one new aspect ratio. Double-click on Sprite and set pixel per unit set to 25 and click on Apply. Drag the platform in hierarchy and rename to ground and position it down. Drag the bird in hierarchy and rename to bird and set the bird position and hit play. And the shortcut key for play is Ctrl+P. You can see the platform and bird is hide. This happened because of order in layer. We resolve this error. Select ground and set order in layer to 2 and select bird and set order in layer 1. Hope you understand. See you in next tutorial.